Okay, so if you are taking a package, it's a normal package, and you wrapped it, gave it to somebody, and they unwrapped it. The wrapping you use to wrap that package is what surface area is.
Well, like, what if when you fold the corners in on
It's okay. Don't think about the corners. Good question, but don't think of it. Let's just say in a perfect world we were able to get it all connected perfectly. Okay, none of us can. My mother, but she loves wrapping. But let's just say as a perfect world they all match up. Okay. I didn't think of that, but always. Yeah. Okay. So surface area 2 times the length and the width. So what this one is this bottom part and then the top part. Okay, that's where that one looks like. All right. For the 2 times the length and the height, that's this part, the front and then the back. Okay, that's what the 2LH is. And then for the 2WH, that's this part. So if you notice, that's why I said don't color, because they all start to blend over each other. Sean? Of course. Okay?
Where did you get the height?
It gives it to you.
Okay.
It'll give you length, width, height.
It'll always.
Unless they want you to go backwards because they give you the answer part.
Okay.
Wait, that number 1 thing we don't have one right here.
Oh, you do. But we'll go there. Don't worry. Okay. Now, so for this height right here, okay, you can also put that here, here, and there. So that height can move all the way around there. Okay? For your width, which is here, it can also go there, there, and there. For your length, you can also go there, 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 and there. So when you're given a figure, for example, when we get to another problem, we'll have to shift a number into a different spot because of it. What happened to my recording?
Maybe it's. You hit it, yes.
Oh no, it's still going. Okay. Screen was like, hey, what happened to it? Okay. All right. So for number 1, these are the times when you need to make sure that you write down the formula, the plug-in. I'm going to show you how to do those. So surface area. 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. So 2 times 13 times 7 plus 2 times 13 times 9 plus 2 times 7 times 9. Now, if you can't remember the formula, you can't remember, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? Like, what's the order? That kind of thing. Here's the hint. Make sure each number is at least multiplied twice. So, for example, 13, is it multiplied twice? 13 and 7, 13 and 9. Is the 7 multiplied twice? 7 and 13, 7 and 9. It doesn't matter the order. Yeah. It doesn't matter the order.
So, like, are you going to color into the
I don't need to, do I? Okay. No, I meant over there. Okay. Okay.
Coloring so do 2 times 13 minus 20.
Someone have it? So the surface area is, what is it? 42 feet squared. Very, very important. Okay, so this right here is your plug-in. That is your answer. Yes, so I need the plug-in. I know it seems ridiculous, but I need that plug-in, and then literally if you have the right calculator that I love so much, and
Some people
you
don't.
can just plug it right in like that, the way it looks. You can do multiplication, that's fine. Okay? Are you good?
Would you multiply the numbers like versus our 7, 6, and 9 to do all that first instead of all of them like doing that?
Just by the way it looks. For knowledge. Okay, moving down, other prisms, okay? Other prisms. Here's one of the problems I have with this book, other books, this curriculum, all that good stuff, is this B, this big B right here, okay? This big B means the area of the base, which I'm gonna tell you right now, if I opened up this box over here again, and I showed you the bases of all the figures, they would be all different. Right? All the bases are different. So what does this B represent? It doesn't represent anything unless you understand that the big B means area of the base. That doesn't represent area to you guys. What have you been shoveled down your throat? Base. How do we represent area in here? With what?
Squared.
What?
Unit squared.
No. A, the letter A. Hasn't area always been represented by A?
Yeah.
Okay, so this right here, you can write it right below. You guys can write this right below. You're going to write this again. But this right here should be area of base.
Do you want us to cross off the... Do you want us to cross off
The B, and then put area of base. And the reason why is there's going to be different areas. There's going to be different bases, but at least you know what A means. That means area. The big B, why are we changing the variable all of a sudden? There's no reason to change the variable. But if you saw area, A, you know, hey, I got to take the area. But if you saw big B, you might stumble. You might not know what's going on, okay? So, what is P? Perimeter. H is height, so forth. Okay, so let's look at number 4. Remember how I said that we're going to have to move a number? Look, 15, right? It's the same as this up here, so put 15 up there. So perimeter is equal to what? How do we find perimeter? Add them all up. Harrison? Okay, tell me. Oh my gosh. 9 plus 15 plus 12. So perimeter is what? Oh, thank you. 36 meters. Okay, there's the perimeter. Add them all up, you get the perimeter. Okay? I want the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base. Now, I'm still looking for lateral area. Lateral area is the height times the perimeter. What's my height? 16. My perimeter is 36. What's that answer? $576 meters squared. This is your answer. This is your plug-in for your lateral area. Not done. To your surface area. Surface area is going to be your lateral area plus 2 times the area of the base. Okay, my lateral area is 576 plus 2 times, what is the area? What base, what kind of figure? Triangle? Okay. So it's going to be area of a triangle. What's the area of a triangle? So base times height over 2. What is the base? 9. What's the height? 12 over 2. What happens to the 2's? Cancel. Bases. So look at this, guys. Here's your triangle. Here it is also. That's a 90-degree up there, okay? So we get 576 plus, what's 9 times 12? What?
108.
Yep, 108. And that equals?
684.
684 meters squared. That's my surface area. So right here is the plug-in for that. Yeah. What is this right here? Pi r h. I'm sorry, not pi r h. 2 pi r.
The area of
Nope.
the diameter.
Nope.
Circumference.
Circumference. Okay, that's the circumference right there. What is this one? Right here. Pi r squared. Area of a circle. So, lateral area. What's the circumference in a circle is the same as what? Another figure. Perimeter in another figure. So, lateral area is equal to 2 pi r h. So 2 pi times 11 times 26. Okay. So 2 times 11 times 26, 572 pi yards square is the lateral area. So to find the surface area, it's going to be your lateral area plus your 2 times the area of your base. So it's 572 pi plus 2 times pi r squared. So 572 pi plus 2 times, your radius is 11, so it's, do it that way. So it's 2 pi times 11 squared. So 572 pi plus 11 squared, 121 times 2 So 242 pi. So because this you can combine. And then it's yards squared. And if you do, this is your surface area. And then to round, you get 2,557.3 yards squared. So that is your surface area, and this right there is your plug-in.